To connect Eufy C10 with an app, first of all we'll need to open Eufy Clean app on our device. If you don't have it, open a Google Play Store or Apple Store and find Eufy Clean, download it, and finally open the app. Now we need to make sure that our robot is powered on. You can either power it on by holding a power button right here for 3 seconds until the LED lamp starts blinking and you hear a voice prompt saying that your device is powered on. And another way to do it is to just connect it to the charging station. Now when we have everything ready, we need to click on Add a Device and search for Eufy C10. Now we need to mark that our device is powered on and then perform a Wi-Fi reset. You can do it simply by holding a home button and power button at the same time for a few seconds.
Wi-Fi has been
There will be a
reset.
prompt, and then we need to confirm reset complete and move to the next step. Make sure that you have Bluetooth active on your smartphone device and then click on connect next to your robot that is detected. And here we need to find a Wi-Fi network that we want to also connect with our robot. So select the Wi-Fi from the list and enter password for it and move to the next step. That way our device will begin connecting with our app. And after a few moments, our device is successfully connected with the app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.